It's recording.
Yeah.
So here we are in lovely Denman Island, British Columbia on our Thanksgiving Good Friday.
Thanksgiving Good Friday.
Sorry.
Easter weekend.
That's what I was trying to say. Thank you for correcting me again.
Nice.
We have little baby on board, also known as Jonathan Ryan McLean. Say hi. Hi, Ryan, or Jonathan. Say hi. You're out on the boat. Your first time overnight.
Well, we haven't made it overnight yet.
Oh. Are you with Mommy?
Ethan's jumped ship on us already.
Yeah, Ethan has gone on to Solskin, which is, oh, they're an anchor with us here. They're right. There they are. Oh, that's us. Sorry. Look at her.
It's so hard to tell the difference.
There's Solskin on anchor. And we'll just do Into the Sun. I don't know what it's going to look like.
Beautiful mountains all around us.
Yeah, it's probably 15 degrees or so.
30 on the beach.
Yeah, they were just on the beach. Ethan had a great time. Little panoramic view.
No noise.
Oh yeah, no noise. And these guys, our new Dodger.